1 upon 1 plus f of x bracket square multiplied by derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. On further simplifying, what I will get, minus f of x divided by 1 plus f of x bracket square. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video I will explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end so that you will get complete understanding of the solution and each and every step involved in it. So without any further delay, let's start solving this question. Differentiate with respect to x. So we have to differentiate the following inverse trigonometric composite function with respect to x. Now there is a formula to differentiate this type of functions. What is that standard formula? To differentiate inverse trigonometric composite function of cot inverse with respect to x is cot inverse of f of each derivative of cot inverse of f of x is 1 upon 1 plus f of x bracket square multiplied by derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. On further simplifying, what I will get, minus f of x divided by 1 plus f of x bracket square. So in this way we have the given formula. Now we have to use this formula to differentiate this given inverse trigonometric composite function of cot inverse. Now if I compare this cot inverse of f of x with cot inverse of 4 raised to x, then what I will get? Compare cot inverse of f of x with cot inverse of 4 raised to x. Then f of x is 4 raised to x and its derivative f dash of x will be 4 raised to x into log of x. Now I will put these values in given formula. Then what I will get? I will get derivative of given function with respect to x, that is d by dx cot inverse of 4 raised to x is equal to minus f of x f dash of x minus f dash of x divided by 1 plus f of x bracket square. So value of f dash of x is 4 raised to x into log x. Here derivative of 4 raised to x is 4 raised to x into log of 4. So f dash of x is 4 raised to x into log of 4 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square. Now on further simplifying, what I will get? D by dx into cot inverse of 4 raised to x is equal to minus 4 raised to x into log of 4 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square, which is our required final answer. In this way we use the standard formula to solve this type of question. I hope you have understood the application of formula to the given question. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now tell me in the comment box, can we solve this given question using theorem of derivatives of inverse function? If yes, try this as a part of self-study and then share it in the comment box whether you have successfully used the theorem of derivatives of inverse function to find the solution of this given question. Whatever answer you get, verify that answer with our final answer that we have obtained in this video solution. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.